students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will study from our English word book, lesson number 3, Arm Cheese, Brilliant Traps. Today we will fill one exercise in our English word book. Students, start the work and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we will study from our English word book, that is lesson number 3, Arm Cheese, Brilliant Traps. So, write down classwork, put the date, that is 16 June 2021. Let us read a poem about grandfather's lost glasses. Grandfather's glasses. What is the poem name? That is Grandfather's Glasses. In this, there are two stanzas in the poem. This one is the first stanza and this one is the second stanza. Grandfather's lost his glasses. Grandfather lost his glasses. Now, nowhere can they be found. Mine are blue rhymed squares, but his are silver round. Maybe he stepped on them, but no one's heard a sound. Grandfather. This poem is about grandfather's glasses, means grandfather's specs. He has lost it and it can't be found anywhere. The poet's glasses are blue rhymed squares, but grandfather's are silver rounds. Maybe, might have been, grandfather had put his leg on it and he does not heard a sound. Now in the next stanza, I have looked almost everywhere, on the table, under the bed, in the shower, on the chair. Can they be in the garden shed? I finally found them on his bleeding silver-haired head. Now, the poet looked at almost everywhere, but like he saw under the table, under the bed, in the shower, on the chair, and he also saw over from near the garden shed. But at last, he found them. He found it that the grandfather is wearing upon his forehead. Over here he is wearing his glasses. Now we will do one exercise in it about the text. Exercise A. Choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. Grandfather lost his glasses. You will put a tick over here and you will write glasses over here. Now, second one. Grandfather's glasses are silver rounds. So here we will write silver rounds. Now in the third one, the glasses have been looked for everywhere, and we will write everywhere over here also. Now number 4, the poet looks for the glasses in the garden shed. Now, in the fifth one, the glasses are finally found on grandfather's silver-haired head. So here we will write silver then you see there is a hyphen and we will put a hyphen over here. Haired head. Dear students, fill this exercise in your English word book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise A from lesson 3, that is Armchair's Brilliant Traps. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.